Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by picking a single reliable medium, paper or app, and commit to it. Once chosen, create a minimal template: date, prompt, mood, goal, and one action item. Then establish a short ritual so you actually open the journal. 5-minute warm-up, set a 15-20-minute timer, and clear one distraction. Start with one concrete entry now. Write today's prompt, a one-sentence goal, and an immediate next step. This launches consistency and makes the journal useful from the first session. Once you have entries, focus on routine depth. Blend short writing prompts with process notes so the journal captures both output and decisions. For each entry, note what you tried, why you made that choice, and what you'd change next time. Tag items with simple labels like #idea or #revise. Make quick reviews weekly. Skim for patterns, pick one improvement goal, and tweak your ritual or timer lengths accordingly. This turns scattered notes into a learning loop that steadily improves your writing. Finish each month by converting insights into action. Extract one repeatable practice and schedule it into your week, then archive a short summary of lessons and favorite prompts. Once done, use the journal as a resource for drafts, prompts, and revision choices. If you hit a stall, try a single low-pressure tactic. Reduce sessions to 5 minutes, remove judgment, and focus on a line or image. That short restart often breaks blocks and restores momentum without overhauling your system.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.